I've been in the trading space for almost a year now, and here's what I learned. Firstly, I'm going to say that paper trading is an excellent tool to use. When I started trading, I didn't use paper trading and I went straight to prop firms and wasting money and all that stuff. And if you want to start without burning any cash and burning any capital that you originally have, I would recommend please starting with paper trading and please understanding and developing a strategy before hopping onto the actual charts. Second piece of advice I would give is please stick to one strategy. When you jump from ICT to order flow to orb strategies, it gets complicated and you can't perfect it. That's why sticking to one strategy is more beneficial, as you can perfect that strategy and gain money from that one strategy. All you need is one strategy to become profitable at the end of the day. Thirdly, develop a rule set and stick to those rules. When I started trading, I didn't develop a rule set and I would constantly enter trades, exit trades, enter trades, exit trades, and it wouldn't get me anywhere. So developing a rule set is important so it can stop you from over trading, over leveraging, and all that stuff. Alright, to support what I said earlier, trading is 80% psychology. So make sure when you trade, you're mentally stable and you're mentally 100%. Because if you're not 100% when you're trading the charts, it's going to affect your performance. Additionally, you should never get your ego involved in the charts. Just because you win one day and you have a green day one day doesn't mean the next day is going to be the same outcome. Start fresh every day. Start brand new. Another thing I'd stress is please take your time. Trading is a great way to make money, a great way to make money fast. But when you think of it as a fast way to make money, you're going to constantly over leverage, constantly try to speed run gaining money. But it's more of a process and a learning process. So take your time, understand the charts, develop your strategy, and then money will flow in. Finally, just like paper trading, I want you to learn how to backtest. Start going back into the charts. Start maybe backtest for an hour a day. An hour a day at the end of the day is 365 hours in a year. So you're still gaining so much knowledge off of that, right? So backtesting every day, maybe even, and also, sorry, not maybe, but please journal. Like when you take a trade, when you take a loss, it's important to journal so you could keep learning, keep developing, and keep understanding the charts better. Alright, to end the video, I just want to say that trading is not easy and you're going to lose money. And what I did DoorDash. I found ways to make money by selling products, selling equipment, and was always trying to find a way to make money to fund for my trading. And continue to keep trading, continue to keep journaling, continue to keep backtesting. Consistency is key in trading, so keep it up, guys. Be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.